Have you ever spotted a towering moose in a forest and heard its deep bellows echo through the pines? Today, our friendly moose teaches kids how to spell its name while imitating its gruff calls and clomping. Listen as the moose stamps the ground, guiding viewers to spell M-O-O-S-E with each echoing hoofbeat. Each sound becomes a letter Q, turning forest noises into a fun-spelling game kids can shout along. By the end, young explorers will spot the moose again and confidently spell its name after the final roar.